here. I'm in four-wheel drive. I got a guy that put it in the ditch there. Martin was behind me with the L5P, and we're gonna see if we can pull him out or what the deal is here. This poor guy just put it in the ditch and asked if we can help him out. So I got the four-ways on. Hopefully I don't get hit. We'll leave the camera here for a second. We're gonna see what's going on. So Martin didn't have any straps. There's nowhere to really hook onto this. Some other guy just stopped and said he had straps, but he's in a dually with like street tires on it. So we're gonna see if we can help him pull us out. All right, so here's the situation. I'm tied onto him in the back there. Let's see what we can do.
I would say just pull it up. Just pull it out the road.
Yeah,
over here or something.
Yeah.
Let's fucking get him out of there. Give it a shot.
All right, boys. I didn't film anything because this guy was talking, but we got him out here. I don't know if you guys saw any of that, just for the fact of being somewhat discreet, but out of the ditch and over here, and that thing's pretty tore up. Yeah, so sorry, hello, welcome to the video. If you guys can't tell, here it is snowing down in North Carolina. Got off work a little bit early because of the roads. That was on my drive home. A gentleman put it in the ditch, lost control, rear-wheel drive, Colorado, stuffed the front end into a nice little hill, and the truck's pretty messed up. Hanging on the side of the road, got him pulled out, and that's that. I don't have any straps with me. My toolbox is not on there. I don't have anything with me really, which is unprepared John yet again. Other than that, I don't know what we got planned for today. I did bring my camera home. I knew I was planning to shoot a video and film, but let's get back to the house and see what Westbo's up to. Maybe break the Badger out. I don't know. All right, guys. So we just got back here, and oh god, look at the downside. Actually, it's not too bad here. Pennsylvania roads are much more gross than Carolina roads, but as you can see, the wide wheel setup deal really just does make a mess in the colder weather. Yeah, when it's like shitty weather like this, I don't even bother cleaning my truck off. I mean, it's really no point to it. But right now, we just got home. As you can see, this is just the start. You know, some places like in the surrounding areas have like 5-6 inches. We have a dusting. It's pretty wet snow. It's still kind of warm out, but as you can see, it looks like Westbo drove recently, which I don't know in the Westang if that's such a good idea on his not winter tires. But I definitely need to get food later, so we are going out of the house again. But you know, they say down here in North Carolina, they're like, don't leave the house because no one from North Carolina knows how to drive, and that couldn't be any more accurate. I just got passed by a Prius. Nothing against Priuses. If you like Prius, that's your thing. Rocket. As you can see, the road conditions are not ideal. Definitely not on snow tires, and that dude had to be doing 65 on a back road in like the snow and slush. He was going so fast that kicked some stuff up into my truck, and I was like, damn. So if you are a North Carolina driver, I'm gonna say two things. One, take some winter driving classes, watch a couple YouTube videos about it. I know they're out there. And two, put some snow tires on in the winter. Damn. I know they say it doesn't snow down here, but like this was, since Christmas has happened like 3 times. Shit, get with it. There goes a van just hauling ass.
What is all this white stuff?
How excited do I look that it's snowing? And the snow's kind of cool, but...
You're like you're back home.
How bad do you just want to start racing again?
Yes.
I mean...
70 and sunny is a lot better than this, yeah, even though, I mean, it's a little bit different than usual.
So as you guys can see, we got Wes back behind the camera. I'm going to do something special here. I haven't revealed to you guys the new vehicle that's on the channel. We got another new vehicle coming to the channel. Wes, are we going to...
Oh.
We got too many vehicles. Right here we got 5, including this other one. So let's take a stroll back here. I'll show you the new vehicle. This thing, what year is it, Wes?
2001.
2001 mint Yamaha Badger. Now, I mean, this thing is mint except for Wes's one buddy who railed the front bumper. What's his name?
Alex.
Alex, what the hell? Can't
I know.
Anything nice. Jesus. But I mean, this is our new pit vehicle. So if you go to a race that we're at, you'll see us riding around the Badger. We might do a sticker delete on there, put some RPM stickers, maybe a Cowmaro sticker on there. What do you think?
Maybe.
But Wes hates this when I just come over here and start it up. Oh, she's cold. How bad do you hate this? When I just fire it up. All right, enough of that before I just blow it up. But I think we're gonna go mess around in the cold today. In the cold, in the snow. What do you think?
Well, it'll be both, so
yeah.
I mean,
what do you want to do, Wes?
it don't matter.
Still get skinny.
Oh, that's a mistake. Oh, easy. Okay, terrible idea. Just pull it back. Just pull it back. That's an awful idea. We're drifting. Oh.
It rained for like the first hour or two.
Look at the sideways action.
So it didn't even like,
It's weird because the snow's super wet, so it's like sometimes you'll slide and other times you won't. You can't see shit. Drive with your heart, not your eyes. Oh, whoa, we're all the way sideways there. Still sideways. That right there is
We're
driving.
definitely hanging it off the road right there.
It's close. It's definitely close. That right there, folks, was driving with your heart. Now, as you can see here, we are just trucking along.
It's solid 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, solid 30. I'm in four-wheel drive. I can go a bit quicker than that, but everyone else scares me. I don't really mind driving, but I do mind everyone else that's out here.
That was so close. We almost got a rear end.
This guy is going off the road.
Oh my God.
Oh, here we go.
Done.
Oh, he's done. That's it. Pack it up. Pack it up, folks.
Do we stop and help him?
Oh, it's a girl.
Do we stop?
Bro, I got one ratchet strap.
That's all you need.
I mean, I got two. I got one. Yeah, I literally have. No, it's like 1,000 pounds. It's meant to hold like a four-wheeler in the bed of your truck.
I just rolled a guy out in Colorado.
And some other dude stopped with bigger ratchet straps. Oh my God, their job done.
So are we gonna get this done with the 1,000-pound ratchet strap by itself? What about this orange one? Is that the one you're talking about?
Yeah, it's 1,100. It's 1,100
Oh God, you don't have
pounds.
your toolbox. What a...
I know, that's what I said.
JT.
Hold on, I'm gonna back up in this person's driveway. Oh my God, that person is literally just done. They're making the situation so much worse. Wes, they're just completely stuck on the side of the road now.
They're like perpendicular with the road now.
They're not even close.
90-degree angle.
Not even close to being pointed in the correct direction.
Oh, she come in here with some heat.
Yeah.
I would not park here. I'd get on the other side of it. The front here.
I'm gonna have to pull her out backwards.
We will.
All right, so it's a complete clusterfuck here on this side hill. Cars are just like no one stops when this shit like starts going south, and everyone just keeps on trucking by like that. And we're sitting on the inside of the hill, so at the base of it. Honestly, probably the worst spot that you could be. I just left Wes back there because every car that comes up past me starts to slide my way. I almost got hit by a sheriff going by. So it's definitely not ideal, but these people really just need to chill out. I'm gonna pull below them. Yo, I hate people so much. Guy's like just in his Jeep, he's just like, I'm gonna send it. How tight? Tell me
It's not tight yet. Back up. All right.
Tight?
All right now.
Ho ho ho! Here we go. Tell her to get on the brakes. Oh.
My hands are literally like ice cubes.
Oh, here she goes. Here she goes again.
Oh my God. She's done. Watch out. She's gonna start sliding back. Oh my God.
I like now. See, the issue with helping someone is that we're now obligated to stay here until she makes it to the top.
This is kind of funny though. I'm not gonna lie.
You know how pissed I'd be? This poor guy behind us in the Ford literally just waited there the entire time. This is like the sketchiest. Oh, she's got it now.
No, she doesn't. She's done. She's sliding.
Bo, this is like a damn Subaru commercial. Look at this guy. He's like, oh, F everyone. It's complete whiteout now. Can't see shit. There's like 4 people going by. The only way we're getting this girl up the hill is if we pull her in reverse up the hill. So, I mean, dude, it's too much. I don't like being here though because, oh, like this guy in this truck is not having it. It's like a really crazy side hill angle. I mean, the amount of sketch that this is, this guy's ass keeps like poking out.
All right. This is how we do it in North Carolina. Hey John, go to the left. All right, start getting on the brakes. Hit your brakes. Perfect, perfect. Stop right there. All right, John. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right.
I was helping us pull her out is going through the thick snow. Look at him.
I was worried that there was a ditch here.
I think you're good.
Man, I was hoping there was a ditch I get all stuck.
Hey.
I'm gonna lose my front end, ain't I?
I think you'll be alright.
You won't be as bad as her.
Alright, is anybody coming?
No, you're good to go. He's gonna hammer it here. You better hammer it. Oh God. Oh God. Sleep on a frontier. Now he's going back for more. What is he
He wants
doing?
redemption.
That's too funny. This is my kind of guy right here. I'm dying right now, dude. I can't.
Oh, that was a good one.
Look at a little wheel spin. 4-wheel drive. That thing's like a GTR. It's like a race truck right there.
Yeah.
Spinning all 4 wheels.
Hooks and
Don't have much to say on that one there. As you guys can see in that video, Wespo was putting in some work outside in the cold. We ended up pulling
I
this
have
lady.
frostbite now.
We ended up pulling this lady up a hill. It was pretty big.
It was
hill.
probably like half a mile.
Yeah.
It was a long ways.
And she had no clue what was going on. The truck was in, 4-wheel drive, just trucking up there, and I was like, just steer and keep it straight. She didn't.
She about steered it in that mailbox.
She about hit a mailbox. Yeah, that was pretty funny. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. A little snow fun here down in North Carolina. Other than that,
Stay off the roads.
Yeah, don't.
North Carolina, stay off the roads.
Y'all are a bunch of NDFs in the snow. None of you guys drive with your car. They all drive with their eyes.
Yeah.
I do want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like this fun, crazy, just kind of messing around, please give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate it. I will do a giveaway if this video gets 1,200 likes. 1,200 likes. If it gets 1,200 likes, I'll give away a Cowmaro t-shirt. Their link is in the description below. I got a new design, logo, everything, kind of brand coming out here shortly. Key tags are on the way. Introduce you guys to the Badger, which is another vehicle.
Honey Badger.
I don't know if it's that wild. But I got another vehicle coming to the channel here shortly, which I'm excited about. We're gonna have to do a video to go up north and pick it up and everything like that. But I do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe, and like I said, 1,200 likes and a Cowmaro giveaway. Other than that,
Stay off the roads.
stay up there. That's Wes's thing, because just stay Mustang driver, typical Mustang driver. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Dab.